team to make sure that the F-15SG are warmed up and ready to go.
For each aircraft, there is a dedicated crew chief as well as an assistant to handle the pre-flight checks. Both of them, F-15SG is able to carry a larger payload of weapons and fuel, giving it enhanced firepower for longer endurance for counter and operation missions. It also has the ability to carry a large variety of both conventional and precision standoff weapons, making it extremely versatile and lethal.
The infrared search and track system in the F-15SG detects and tracks objects that emit infrared radiation, such as jet aircraft and helicopters. Unlike radars, the RSAF system does not keep up any radiation on its own, making it undetectable.
Prior to taxi, the aircrew carry out their weapons and systems checks to ensure that the aircraft is fully ready. Final arming checks are then carried out by the ground crew before the pilot taxis out of his parking bay.
The thundering sound of freedom of our F-15SG carrying through the sky. Witness the sheer power of the F-15SG as it performs a vertical climb right after takeoff. Please give our flyboys a big round of applause.
From our fighters, entering the stage now is our RSAF ground-based air defense system, the Spider. Hey Beast, maybe you can give the audience a quick introduction of the Spider missile system?
Sure thing, Sparkle. The Spider ground-based air defense system is a low-level, quick-reaction surface-to-air missile system capable of engaging aircraft and munition threats as far as 15 kilometers away and 9 kilometers high. Provides air defense for fixed assets and aerial defense from mobile forces in the combat area. The Spider launcher comprises a launching platform that is mounted on a 22-ton truck. This enables it to be highly mobile and can move from place to place quickly. Sparkle, do you know what the launching platform comprises of?
Yes, I do. The launching platform comprises of a rotating turret that carries a total of 4 missiles and covers 360 degrees all around, firing off at a 45-degree angle. The Spider can use both the Python 5 and Derby missiles in any combination, which are fitted with infrared imaging and radio frequency seekers respectively to deal with a wide range of threats. It is one of the most advanced missile systems in the world today, and once the missile locks on, there is no escape for the target.
The Spider is also part of the RSAF's Enhanced Island Air Defense or IED system. The IED system is a multi-layer, network and intelligent air defense system which integrates advanced sensors, weapon systems, command and control elements, and decision-making tools to effectively neutralize a wide spectrum of air threats to protect Singapore's skies.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the Spider ground-based air defense system has fully deployed, let's now turn our attention to the screens to watch our video of our F-15's engagement with the bomb threat aircraft in the air.
To land on the runway. Target indicated by Aaron 1.
To every airman and woman who has served in our ranks over the past 55 years. And giving back to the community. Join us and be inspired as we engage in our community outreach initiatives to make a difference. Together, we will work towards a shared future. Follow us on this exciting journey to celebrate the achievements and capabilities of our modern, capable force.
Hello, welcome to today's episode of Hang Out With Me with the RSAF55 children's book, Wings of My Own. I'm Major Jinky, I'm an F-15 pilot, and I'm the author of this book.
I am a cynical, person figure. I'm a pilot.